Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to learn about neighbors. Do you know, kids?
Who is neighbor?
A neighbor is a person who lives next to your house. Neighbors can live on your right side, left side, in front or behind your home. Do you know, kids? How do we relate neighbors in Islam? Islam tells us that neighbors are part of our responsibility. Neighbors can be Muslims or non-Muslims. We must be kind to all. Being good to neighbor is a part of being a good Muslim. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "He is not a true believer who harms his neighbors." A good Muslim always respect and care for neighbors. Kids, giving food to your neighbors is a good sunnah. A kind neighbor makes the community peaceful.
Al-Kabir Publisher is an Islamic institute. We create beautiful, easy to understand Islamic books filled with colors and lessons that help children learn about Islam with knowledge and joy. Our mission is to nurture young hearts to love the Prophet ﷺ and to walk the path of goodness. Al-Kabir Publisher, where every page shines with fragrance of faith.